me getting ready in the morning while Leah is upstairs playing with her dollhouse.
Mommy.
Yes, Leah? Oh, you're rocking your baby?
Yep.
Well, that's nice. Keep playing with your dollies.
Okay.
I don't know where the baby is. You better find her. The baby is sleeping too? Oh, that's nice, Leah. Yeah? Is it almost time to go to Natalie and Morgan's house?
No.
I think it is.
Baby too. Baby too. Mommy.
Yes?
Baby too.
Baby too. Yep, I hear you. Oh yeah, is that right?
I want to play.
Okay, bye Leah.